In this video, I am going to show you how to create a mockup in Canva. Begin on Canva's homepage. Look for the Apps option in the side menu and click on it. This is your gateway to Canva's extend features and integrations, including the mockup generator. Within the Apps section, select Mockups. This will take you to the dedicated space for mockup creation. Use the search bar to find a specific type of mockup, like iPhone, mug, or t-shirt, depending on your needs. Once you find the mockup that aligns with your vision, click on its thumbnail to proceed. This action will open the mockup in Canva's editor, ready for customization. With the mockup template open, you'll be prompted to insert an image or design into the mockup, and here's how. To use an existing image, click Upload. To use a pre-existing design from your Canva project, switch to Designs tab. After selecting the image or design, click Select to place it within the mockup Canva. We'll automatically adjust your chosen graphic to fit the mockup context, ensuring it looks natural and professional. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.